Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I am going to show you how to stop your screen from going to sleep in Windows 11. If your display keeps turning off after just a few minutes, even when you're using your PC, this video is for you. First, click on the Start button, then select Settings. From the menu on the left, choose System and then click on Power and Battery. Now, under the Power section, click on Screen and Sleep to expand the settings. You will see a few options, like if you're on a laptop on battery power, turn off my screen after, and when blocked in, turn off my screen after. Click the drop-down menus and choose a longer time, or if you want to completely stop the screen from sleeping, select Never for both options. That's it. Your screen will now stay on as long as you want, whether you're on battery or blocked in. Just remember, if you set it to never sleep, your battery may drain faster if you're on a laptop. So use it wisely. If this helped beat you out, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.